Methods to clean marble floors. Dear friends, maintaining the pristine appearance of your marble floors involves adopting appropriate cleaning methods that safeguard the integrity of the stone. Dust and sweep regularly. A regular dusting or sweeping routine will help to prevent scratches and abrasions. This simple but effective step removes dirt and debris from the surface, reducing the risk of scratches during daily activities. Damp mopping. Damp mopping is a gentle and effective method for cleaning marble floors. Use a microfiber mop or a soft cloth dampened with a pH-neutral cleaner to clean. Excessive water should be avoided because standing water can seep into the marble and cause damage over time. The damp mopping process ensures that the marble is thoroughly cleaned without compromising its structural integrity. Spot cleaning. It is critical to respond quickly to spills in order to avoid staining. If a spill occurs, blot the affected area immediately with a soft, absorbent cloth. After that, use a cleaner designed specifically for marble to clean the area. This spot cleaning routine helps to keep the marble looking pristine and prevents long-term damage. Avoid acidic substances. Acidic substances such as vinegar, citrus juices, and tomato-based products are especially harmful to marble. It is critical to avoid using these substances on or near marble floors to avoid etching. Being aware of the materials that come into contact with the marble surface helps to ensure its long-term durability. Polishing. Regular professional polishing of marble floors may be beneficial. The purpose of this procedure is to fix any small scratches that may have grown over time and restore the sheen. But it's imperative that you leave this work to qualified technicians who are knowledgeable about the nuances of marble maintenance. Expert polishing guarantees that the restoration procedure improves the marble's appearance without inadvertently harming it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.